Hello friends, in this video we are going to look at text area in HTML5. The area tag in HTML5 captures multiple line of text input from the user. We can define the size of this control in terms of rows and calls attributes. So rows defines a number of rows and calls attribute defines a number of columns. For example, rows equal to 3 resizes the control's height to show 3 rows of text. Calls equal to 80 resize the width to show 80 alphabets. So this rows and calls defines the size of the text area. When there is no room to display text in a row for a defined column width, the text will be wrapped to next line. When the number of rows exceeds the rows defined by the attribute rows, the browser will display a vertical scroll bar to scroll the content. Here is the example. Here we added a HTML5 text area. So the element name is a text area to show 3 rows and 50 columns. So the element name is text area and the content which you write in between the text area, that means the text area opening and closing tag. So that content will appear as a default text inside the text area control. When user clicks the submit button, the content will be submitted to the web server. Now let us explore HTML5 text area control in Internet Explorer browser. So here is the form tag. Action is dummy action.html. Here we defined the text area. Name is user comment and we defined the size as 3 rows 50 columns. Then the content here, type your valuable comment for us. This will be displayed inside the text area control. Now let us execute this in Internet Explorer. And if you see here, the column width is 80 and rows will be 3. So for example, let us first type something. And if you see, when it is exceeding the column width, it automatically wraps to next line. So let me type the same content once again. If you see here, it accepts 3 lines of text, and when I go more than 3 rows, it displays a scrollable content. So we are not able to see the vertical thumb, right? So we will modify the code so that you can see it. Instead of 3, I am keeping here as 6 rows. Then we will display this in Internet Explorer, and if you see, the height is increased now. Default content is there in the text area, so I'm removing it. So once again we will copy paste the same content so that you can clearly see the vertical scroll bar. So when I click submit, the entire content will be submitted. So the control name is user comment and content is whatever you typed here. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.